US Home Representative passed a major bill providing more than $1 billion in assistance in violence, billions in potential loans for Ukraine. The legislation also proposes tougher sanctions on Russian financial and energy sanctions. The move reflects continuing Western support for Ukraine despite political division in Washington. The bill now faces an uncertain future in the Senate. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has publicly called Russian President Vladimir Putin to hold direct peace negotiations in a neutral country. Zelensky proposed a complete ceasefire, prisoner exchange, and a discussion on the return of displaced civilians is the initial step towards ending the conflict. The conflict involving Gaza, Lebanon, and Iran continues to intensify. Reports indicate military operations, humanitarian concern remain severe across the region. Large number of civilians remain displaced while the diplomatic efforts to secure lasting ceasefire have produced limited results. Regional instability continues to be one of the world's most pressing security concerns. International attention remains focused on the aftermath of the Israel-Iran confrontation. Diplomatic efforts are underway to prevent further escalation, but disagreement over security arrangement and regional influence continue to complicate negotiations. Analysts warn that the renewed fighting could affect global energy market and regional stability. US President Donald Trump has threatened additional tariffs on certain Canadian goods, raising concerns about trade relations between the two neighboring countries. Economists are closely watching whether the dispute could affect North America's supply chain business investment. Several European governments are discussing new policies regarding Ukrainian refugees. Sweden migration minister suggests that the newly arriving Ukrainian men on military aid could face restriction on temporary protection, arguing that Ukraine requires manpower for its defense. The proposal has sparked debate across Europe. International Organization Economics continue to warn about a slower global economic growth, ongoing geopolitical conflict, trade disputes, inflation concerns, energy market volatility are expected to affect growth prospects in many regions during 2026. Today, the June 5th, the world is observing World Environment Day 2026. Governments, environmental organizations, and citizens across the globe are conducting campaigns focused on climate action, sustainability, biodiversity, conservation, and pollution reduction. The 23rd plenary session of the North-Eastern Council was held in Shillong under the chairmanship of Amit Shah, leader from all 18 Northeastern states, discussing on the Vision 2047 roadmap focusing on infrastructure, connectivity, tourism, agriculture, technology, and economic growth across the region. The government of Assam expanded its cabinet today. 12 ministers took oath, including 4 new faces. The expansion is expected to strengthen regional representation and support the new government's development agenda. The Assam State Disaster Management Authority is preparing to launch a cell broadcast system that will send energy warning directly to mobile phone during flood, earthquake, and other disasters. The initiative aims to improve disaster preparedness and save lives during emergencies. During this Northeast visit, Amit Shah reviewed security arrangements along India-Bangladesh border in Tripura, discussing focus on strengthening surveillance, preventing illegal activities, and improving border management. The National Testing Agency (NTA) added 4 new examination centers in Northeast India for the June 2026 UGC NET examination. The move aimed to reduce travel burden on candidates from remote areas of the region. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.